Well, hello. Welcome to my tidbit information on weapons. Well, if you're looking at this video, you see that I have the new SCT43SC. And it is pretty slick, dude. I like it. The slide I'm using is a PSA Palmetto Stay comped slide. I took this shooting. I know the range footage wasn't the greatest. I'll go back out again. But I just wanted to give you my thoughts on this gun. Here we go. I got some light on it so you can see what's up. Yeah, look at that, man. It is a slick piece. Look at that. Okay, so really good texturing. I really like the back strap. I don't like this. This is a like I buy Glock accessories off eBay. This is some poor quality slide release. I think the quality on eBay is much better than this. But you know, I got the frame for around $100, so you can't complain too much. So all the stuff that's in there is just add-ons anyway, and it's all 43 compatible. The only thing that isn't 43 compatible is the slide release, the mag release. I mean, so just get a 43X mag release, but everything else is 43 compatible. But it is a slick shooting piece. I like it a lot. I'm gonna take it to the range again. But the reason why I brought this out is I want to show you something. So someone mentioned that the texture is too aggressive, they think, and it looks like it hurts. Well, there's another gun with that same texturing. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Guesses? Here it is. Oh, can hear everyone going crazy. Yep, ZZ. That's the same texturing, same hump the bump action. Yeah. So here's this one. Yeah, it's a little different, but you know what? It's a lot like the ZZ, if you ask me. ZZ, memory pad, Glock monstrosity, memory pad. Yeah, dude, I dig it. And you know, this is a CCP09. This is a full size, so 19. And here's this. Put this together. Yeah, definitely much shorter a lot of places, but it's thick where it counts. And I run PMags, and if you see the side of footage, I didn't have any FTEs with this PMag, so it worked real good. Made in America. If Glock was made in America, it would be this. Alright, that's my tabletop review. Hope you all are happy and tickled inside. Enjoy.